Hi there! Today we are going to spend 1 minute and 30 seconds to better understand how the CIR, the Research Tax Credit, works in France. To begin with, who can benefit from the CIR? Well, all companies, big or small, provided they issue a corporation tax return in France. Now, what is R&D? R&D is an increase in knowledge, in fundamental research, in applied research, in experimental development. Practically, it means having identified goals, but uncertainty on how to achieve them. Now, how to calculate the CIR? Well, CIR is made up of two components. First of which is payroll expense. That means salary plus social taxes time 150% to take into consideration overheads. And the other side, subcontracting. Altogether, they are multiplied by 30% to give the CIR. Now, what are the economic fallouts of the CIR? For payroll expenses, it means a decrease in 45%. And as for the subcontracting, it means a decrease of 30%. Now, how does the repayment of the CIR work? Well, if you are a SME, small and medium enterprise, bear, you know the definition of the European Union. The repayment takes place immediately. If you are a big business or larger business, repayment takes place after 1, 2 or 3 years if the CIR has not been applied to the corporation tax expense in the meantime. Now, on how to secure the CIR. Two ways. First of which, by issuing a prior notice request. And afterwards, after performing and reading, issuing a write-up. The prior notice request. The goal of it is to answer to the query, are all my projects eligible to the CIR? To do so, you issue a prior notice request and you forward it to the French tax administration. If the answer is yes to this query, it protects the company in case of change in opinion of the tax administration. Now, the write-up. A write-up needs to be laid out as such. First of all, you need to lay out the objective relative to the R&D. Second, you need to disclose the state of the art. That means existing knowledge on the related objective. Third, you need, of course, to disclose the work performed. And finally, disclose difficulties, hazard accounting, and deadlocks lifted. Want to know more about the CIR? Don't hesitate to reach out to us. Looking forward to reading you soon. Bye then.